What I will say though is that I mean, definitely those Slack channels, I believe in them. I think it can be even WhatsApp, whatever is easiest, because, WhatsApp, everyone has the app already.
Yeah.
Slack, if the company works with Slack, then of course use Slack. But I think what is even more important is that people exchange also. It's just not, celebration of, I close a deal here, I close a deal there. And I think that's also what we are now doing, is that we are moving away from community to now being more a collaborative learning community, where the idea is that we come together, yes, we are a community, yes, but the idea is we're going to exchange on the best practices. And so if there is some deal to celebrate, or if there is, a deal that we lost, let's just put that on the forefront. But content-wise, can we learn from it?
You always learn more if you lose. Now, the other thing, if I start thinking from an abstract point of view, what you're doing, I think community is the first step. I think the second step is sales culture. Because actually community is part of culture.
Exactly, that's why I'm saying I'm not super adequate.
So we just turned this into a philosophical debate. I think culture would be way better as a word, my dear Dylan.
Yeah, but let's talk about sales culture.
Yes.
My Lord Humblet.
Yes.
I think
you can say Lord Panda.
Lord Panda, yeah.
It's been my ambition for a while to eat
be the Lord
all day, and if I want to get somewhere, to roll down the hill.
Yeah, as long as you don't have a lot of panda punten, then it's good,
yes.
Michael?
If you don't know what that means, look it up, because I didn't know what it means until 5 minutes ago, and I'm like, oh no.
Yeah, you want the panda mask.
Yeah. Can we change the mask?
No, it's good.